If you're looking to go to the beach in Belmar, New Jersey, you better have a beach badge. Police took down this 28-year-old surfer named Liam Mahoney on Tuesday, August 21st, 2024. There's several beach towns in New Jersey that are free, but Belmar is not one of them, and Liam found out the hard way.
I'm not going to ask you too many more times. You're not free to leave.
Am I being detained?
You are. And you take another step, you'll be arrested. I promise you. I promise you.
Because I'm surfing?
Yeah. Just come here.
No. You can talk to Harry Hartson about this.
Talk to whoever you want about it. Talk to me right now.
I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm in the ocean.
Okay. Without a beach badge, though. So we need your information.
Because I'm not on the beach. You're allowed to access the water to surf or to fish.
You are?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you don't need a beach badge for that.
You need a beach badge to get onto this beach.
Not
This is a free beach. I'm not going to argue with you. You're going to provide your name and information?
No.
After this transaction is done, I'll email you the free access law, and I'll also email you Title 40, which regulates the municipalities to charge for the beach. Okay?
Great.
For the time being, we need your information. No? Okay. 726-52. You're now free to go.
All right. Good call.
726 Belmar. I have one of your arrests for obstruction. 19th and 43rd. Drop the surfboard.
Sir, do not
Drop the surfboard. Drop the surfboard. Drop the surfboard.
You're illegally arresting
Drop the surfboard.
You're illegally
Drop the surfboard.
Whoa! Hey!
Put your hands behind your back. That's gonna be another charge. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. Put your hands. Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
This is ridiculous.
What did I do wrong?
This is
Fighting with police.
Bro,
Put your hands behind your back.
what did I do wrong, bro? That's my fucking badge. I walked up to the shower,
Why are
dude.
you arresting him?
Bro, stop.
Shut up! Get the fuck out of my face, dude.
Put your hand behind your back.
No. Why are you guys arresting his badge is
Please
right
contact
here.
Harry Hartson.
I will call Harry
Can
Hartson.
you
What the
contact
fuck
Harry
is this?
Hartson,
I'm gonna
please?
call him.
Dude, I didn't do. I have my badge right
Dude, his
there.
badge is right here.
19th boardwalk. Still resisting.
Why did he have to give his name? He's very
Please let go of me. You are literally, bro. You are not allowed to do this.
Dude, his badge is
You
right
are not
here.
allowed to do this.
Please
stop. Hey.
Stop!
Get her back.
Don't fucking touch it!
Put your hand behind your back. Put him behind your back. Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. No.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Get on the radio.
He has a
Hey, call Harry Hartson, please. I have a fucking badge.
Why would you fucking joking? Because he doesn't have a badge. It's right here.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I have a badge. I'm not letting you arrest me, bro.
Why
Hey, stop!
Get out of here!
Ah, fucking assholes!
No, that's what happened. You have to see what happened.
This guy's a fucking jerk off.
Get out of here!
Hey, your career is done. Your career is done, bro.
Hey, we got it too.
Dude, I have a fucking beach badge, bro.
Right! You're fucking freaking all of us out. We all fucking live here. Look
Bro, can you please stop? You got these things so tight on me, man.
You're hurting.
Can you please fucking loosen it just a hair, dude? Come on, you're being ridiculous.
Clear the walkway.
I was walking to the fucking shower.
Get all of this fucking.
I want to know where the head of the police department is.
Can you please fucking get off me, dude?
Why you guys? He's gonna take a fucking.
Yo, can you loosen it a little bit, bro? You're cutting my wrist.
We're getting up, walking straight off.
Why are
Sir, can you please
Clear that.
Sir, can you please
Clear the stairs.
a little bit?
Clear the stairs.
Sir, can you please
Clear the stairs.
listen to one of my...
You're an idiot. Oh my God.
Can you please give me... Dude, my hands are fucking cutting off the circulation.
Should have thought of that before you followed us for 5 minutes.
I was going to the shower. I had a beach badge. You're being ridiculous. Bro, are you fucking serious?
Yeah, you're under arrest for obstruction. Failure to produce beach badge. Call yourself, all right?
Dude, can one of you please loosen the back my right wrist? I have.
Do you have anything on you?
No, sir, I do not.
You have nothing on you at all?
I have nothing. I have a bar of wax in my wetsuit.
Face the car.
Can you
Spread your
please?
legs. Face the car. Spread your legs.
Can you please fucking loosen it a little bit, sir?
What's that?
It's a bar of wax. I just told you.
Hey, have a seat.
Can you please, sir? I'm begging you at this point.
Have a seat. There you go. All right. Go, just get him in. Hold on. Meet you there. Okay. Good? Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay. Resuming zones. I'm going in, okay?
He was served with his complaint, copies, and released on his own recognizance.